Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain about the host listener and host binding decorator. These are the two very important decorator, and very often in your interview, the question might ask how you can control the event handling from the directive, right? So these two decorator are used very often. So I'll be creating one example where we will use. So before proceeding further, please follow me on the Facebook and Instagram. Please subscribe this channel if you have not yet subscribed and press the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my upcoming videos. So this is the default structure of an Angular 12. Here in the last tutorial when I was explaining the attribute directive, so I created one attribute directive and that attribute directive was used on the button and div. So let me run this application and we'll see the result what we had done in the last tutorial, and then we'll continue about the host listening and host binding, because attribute directive is also one of the important concept in Angular. So it will take hardly a few seconds. Yes, compiled successfully. Let's go to the browser, local 4000. So because of the attribute directive, the button of a color is changed to green and the content inside the div, the background of both the HTML control is changed to red. So I'll share the link in the description box so you guys can check the tutorial. In this tutorial, we will add one directive where we will use the both the decorator. So ng g for generate, d for directive, will say listener. Press enter. The directive name is listener. It will add two file specs is not required as of now because is required for testing. So this is the directive. So let's say keep open, and here first we'll add the element reference, right, and then host binding and then host listener from this Angular/core. And here we will create the instance of an element ref inside the constructor. So let's take the private variable obj. Obj is the variable name that hold the instance of an element reference. Press enter. So the example we are trying to achieve is when we click on the HTML control, then it will change the color. That means we are going to attach the click event. So for click event, we will first use the host binding. Host binding and host listener, what are the definition? Let's go to the Notepad++. I have written just two lines because this is the only definition. Host binding sets the properties on the element that hosts the directive. As name itself reflect the definition of binding and listening. Binding means is bind the properties on the element. Listening means is just listen the events. It could be click event, it could be mouse over, key up, key down, key press, any event, right? So let's go to the Visual Studio Code. I have shown you just two line definition because once you understand the practical, you can add more lines. And inside this, I will mention what properties I'm going to bind, right? I'll say style, and then we can say color. So okay, let's say border, because we will add the just the border around the HTML control, and then variable name, let's say border equal to okay, let's define the sorry, that keep to mind the code will not written inside the constructor, it will be out of the constructor, right? It says okay, it's not in initialization, so just assign the nullable, and then we'll bind a click event. So for click event we will be using @host listener, right, and then click event, and inside this bracket keep in mind just the syntax, because sometimes you may ask to write the syntax, and then function name like click button, and inside this button we will write our own logic. whether it will be a style dot. Okay, I'm just we will change the just the border, right? So style dot border hold this variable border. So this dot border equal to, let's say red we have already used, let's say green. So this much code is required to use the binding and listening. With the help of host binding, we have bind that this property we are going to change, and host listen will listen the event handling. It could be any event. As of now, we have taken the click event, right? Let's go to the default component. Say keep open, and let's add one more button, or let's add div. Sorry, let's add the div and remove everything, and say this is a host binding and listener example, and on this div we will be attached that particular directive. Save it, and let's run this application as of now, because while running it will take few seconds, compiling it will take few seconds, and then we'll code rest of the things. Just copy the selector and put straight away on the div and save it. It's take few seconds because of the compilation is going on. And also remember, okay, here we are going to change the border. So I have just written the green because it will not work, because green is just a color. So let's add the border as a 10 pixel solid green color, okay, and save it. So let's go to the browser. So if I click here, it will trigger this host listen and click event, and it will do a green color around this particular HTML. See, this div is rounded by a green color as in 10 pixel solid. Yeah. So in this way we can use the host binding and host listening very easily, right? So let's change one more thing. Let's change to border to color, and remove this and leave as it is green color. So what it will do, it will just simply do the green color, yeah, rather than bordering around the text. Click here, see, the text is changed into green color, right? So you can change the background color, or you can do any kind of styling here, right, using with the help of click event, or you can add the mouse hover and mouse leave event, then keyboard key up, key down, right? You just need to change the click to mouse over, mouse leave, or any other event that you would like to do. So in this way you can use the host binding and host listening. So thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any question regarding current and previous, please mention the question in the comment section. I will be very happy to answer. Even if you would like to take the code, I will share the code. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe the channel if you have not yet subscribed, and press the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my videos. Share the link with others. Like the tutorial. Thank you so much.